Hey guys, I am back and I made something pretty amazing myself. I'm often getting too technical in it, so I did it on Dreamland where I'll have my test zone. And here it is. I made a dance one and I'll show you how to make this later. It's very simple. And here's what it does. Dance, 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 dance. That's right. It's the tractor. 5. Your chili. Sticky pistons. With stick pistons like that. Now I learned that if you can put redstone wiring against blocks without like having it go over like this right here, it'll still give power to one block. So I fixed that up. I wonder what it would look like if this was timed far back. Oh, that looks cool. Yeah, I'm really gonna keep it fast. Now I can nominate top dancers. And dance, 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 dance. And here's how you build the dance floor portion. Yeah, I'll make it here in this field of daisies. So make some blocks. And then put it and then put it like that, kind of like a Rubik's Cube. And here's how you extend it. There's a hole around it, and you can just think of it like 3 blocks around one color like this. And then surround the color with the same color, like this. There you go, extended it. Now I'm going to extend it one more. And once you do that, that's the same thing. And there's your dance floor. Now this is just a portion of dance floor. Pretty boring because if you look up with the sky view, it's pretty boring. You want something like this, right here. Or you can mix and match it and go like that, but I'm not going too fast. But that kind of stands out, but it's pretty boring. And I want to make it fun, so do this. Make a hole in the center diagonally. And do that with these blocks. Okay, and then look at, like, if I want to fill the yellow in, then I look across it and that's red. So I put red blocks into the yellow. Okay, so just do that, and since yellow is across from red, yellow mixed in red. And then same thing with blue and green. I personally like to switch to red and green like this, but whatever. Then here we go. And here's the parts that you want to lift up. The first center floors. Okay, now this dance floor looks much more exciting, right? You want to just swoop down, dance all night on it. But you can have a nominator stand, so here's how you build it. So go on the ground. Okay, so red, blue, and I might be at the blue. Here we are. Here is the center. Now I'm just gonna take this out now. Okay, but we're interested in the center, which I cannot find. Dang it. Wait, here it is. Here it is. Blue center. This part's simple. Just find the center and take it out. And just make sure you're in the center. So yes, I'm in the center. Let's pick systems up. And then replace blocks. So this was yellow. This was red. This was green. This was blue. And go back down the stairs. So now we have rooms hooked up. You want to take 2 spaces out like I'm doing. Like that. And then here comes the redstone. Put one here. And there. And let's do this. Hold on. One, two, three, four. Yep. And then you just take it on outside. And go over here, and then you're done. And oh, I'm not done. Good. Oh, I need a repeater. Okay, so down. Let there be power. And then there you go. And now you can nominate people. And I like to put my switch a little bit close, so if I get nominated, which I shall always do, I can flick the switch. Oh, what? Well, I guess another way to do this. Well, you guys get the picture of this. So, I'll just do it. So, there you go. That's how to nominate people and make the nomination stand. So, simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, well, if you liked, of course, and goodbye. I said bye.